EASA is a technology that allows companies to deploy spreadsheets to multiple users quickly and securely. How are we different from tools like SharePoint or Google Sheets? These are great tools that work very well when you've got one instance of a spreadsheet that needs to be shared. For cases where you need to share a spreadsheet of a master model with many users that are going to be using it many times a day, saving data back to those spreadsheets, then SharePoint fails really quite spectacularly. Let me illustrate that with a real example. Imagine you're an actuary and you're working for a large insurance company. You've created a spreadsheet that calculates the cost of underwriting a certain risk. That spreadsheet's likely to be quite complex and may even contain macros, VBA, and other add-ins. It's not the kind of tool that you're going to be able to share easily via SharePoint. But on the other hand, you do still need to share it with a lot of end users, your underwriters, maybe even agents at third-party companies. So how am I going to share this master spreadsheet? These days, emailing a spreadsheet as an attachment, especially one that has VBA or macros embedded, is a big security no-no. We could put it on SharePoint, but SharePoint doesn't support all of the features in Excel. Supposing you overcome these problems anyway and get the spreadsheet into the hands of your intended authorized users, how are you sure that they're using the correct version of your spreadsheet and not one that they saved last month? And here's the bigger issue. Every time a user saves an instance, that information is being saved into a flat file. It's not saved into a database, so all of that information is being lost. In contrast, when you deploy a spreadsheet using EASA, you have total version control. You can also, perhaps more importantly, be sure that you're capturing the data that users are saving back to a database. That's fantastic because it means that you now have the ability to do the analytics that you always wanted to do. So in short, EASA makes Excel behave more like a true enterprise application. You can capture your data, ensure version control, and ensure security and data integrity, and ultimately improve your operational efficiency. What we do is take the power and agility and the flexibility and even the familiarity of Excel and leverage that into something which is more secure, more scalable, a true enterprise application.